Number 1. Earthquake hits. It means when an area is struck by an earthquake.
The earthquake hit the city hard last night. The earthquake hit the city hard last night. When the earthquake hit, everyone panicked. When the earthquake hit, everyone panicked. An earthquake hit near the coast this morning. An earthquake hit near the coast this morning.
Number 2. Floods hit. It means when an area is affected by severe flooding.
Floods hit the town after the heavy rains. Floods hit the town after the heavy rains. The annual floods hit the farming regions hardest. The annual floods hit the farming regions hardest. When the floods hit, many were evacuated. When the floods hit, many were evacuated.
Number 3. Hit the headlines. It means to become a major news story.
The scandal hit the headlines worldwide. The scandal hit the headlines worldwide. She hit the headlines after winning the gold. She hit the headlines after winning the gold. Their discovery hit the headlines in the science community. Their discovery hit the headlines in the science community.
Number 4. Outbreak hits. It means when a sudden occurrence of disease starts spreading.
An outbreak hit the densely populated city. An outbreak hit the densely populated city. When the flu outbreak hit, schools closed down. When the flu outbreak hit, schools closed down. The outbreak hit the community fast and hard. The outbreak hit the community fast and hard.
Number 5. Classes held. It means when a class or session takes place.
Class is held every Monday and Wednesday. Class is held every Monday and Wednesday. No class is held during the holiday break. No class is held during the holiday break. The workshop class is held in the main building. The workshop class is held in the main building.